Imagine holding a phone so thin and light that it almost doesn't feel real, like a piece of glass from the future resting in your hand. That's exactly what the rumored iPhone Air 2, expected in 2026, is shaping up to be. Not just another upgrade, but a total rethinking of what a smartphone can look and feel like. Apple has always moved in silence before big shifts, and right now, all signs point towards something radically different. This isn't about a slightly better camera or a faster chip. This is about Apple trying to make the iPhone disappear in your hand, while becoming more powerful than ever. The word Air isn't random. Apple only uses that name when it wants to signal extreme thinness and lightness without sacrificing performance, like the MacBook Air that redefined laptops. Now imagine that philosophy applied to the iPhone. Leaks suggest the iPhone Air 2 could be the thinnest iPhone ever made, possibly thinner than anything currently on the market. We're talking about a device that could slide into your pocket so effortlessly that you'd forget it's there, until you turn it on and realize it's more advanced than phones twice its size. But making a phone ultra-thin is risky. Smaller body means less space for battery, cooling, and camera hardware. So how is Apple solving that? The answer may lie in a new battery technology that's been quietly developing behind the scenes. Reports hint at stacked battery cells, a design that allows more power and less space. If true, this could mean all-day battery life in a body that looks impossibly slim. And if Apple pulls this off, competitors will be forced to play catch-up for years. Now let's talk about design, because that's where things get really interesting. The iPhone Air 2 might introduce a completely redesigned frame, possibly titanium aluminum fusion, making it both lighter and stronger. That means fewer bends, fewer dents, and a premium feel that's different from the Pro models. Instead of focusing on bulk and hardware bumps, Apple could be shifting towards smooth, seamless surfaces, maybe even a camera system that sits nearly flush with the back. And yes, the camera. Even with a thinner body, the iPhone Air 2 is rumored to rely heavily on computational photography rather than giant physical sensors. Apple has been quietly dominating in image processing, and this phone might prove that software can outperform sheer hardware size. Expect smarter night shots, more cinematic video stabilization, and possibly real-time AI enhancements that adjust lighting and focus before you even tap the shutter. Performance is where Apple usually widens the gap, and 2026 could be the year they go all in on AI at the hardware level. The iPhone Air may second run on a new generation chip built specifically to handle on-device artificial intelligence. That means faster voice commands, smarter photo editing, live translation without internet, and a Siri that finally feels like an assistant from the future instead of the past. Instead of sending everything to the cloud, your phone could process tasks instantly and privately, right in your hand. Display technology might also take a leap. Rumors suggest Apple is exploring ultra-thin OLED or even micro-LED panels for future devices. If the Air 2 gets this treatment, we could see brighter visuals, deeper blacks, and better battery efficiency, all while keeping the screen incredibly slim. The bezels could shrink even more, creating a nearly edge-to-edge experience that feels more like holding a glowing sheet of digital glass than a traditional phone. And here's where things get bold. Some leaks hint that the iPhone Air 2 might be Apple's first major step toward a portless future. That means no charging port at all, just advanced wireless charging and data transfer. It sounds extreme, but Apple has removed standard features before, and the industry always follows. A sealed design would improve water resistance, reduce internal clutter, and make the device look even more futuristic. Weight is another factor people don't realize matters until they experience the difference. A lighter phone reduces hand fatigue, feels better during long video watching sessions, and is easier to use one-handed. Apple may be targeting a weight so low that it changes how we think a premium phone should feel. Instead of heavy equaling high-end, the Air 2 might make lightness the new luxury.